This is what it's like to be in 75 degrees and rain and a big time thunder and lightning storm. Now, I haven't seen lightning in Ramona years, but this is very unusual. So very warm air, and obviously there's some cold air coming from somewhere. I don't know if it's from out in the Pacific Ocean, which I would suspect because the desert is in the opposite direction. So I'm going to go on the premise that this is hot air meeting cold air, creating this storm system. But it's actually not raining as hard as it was about 15 minutes ago as I was driving up here. It was really coming down. There's a lot of moisture in the air. These are very, very low level clouds. Ramona sits at 1,500 feet elevation, so when I get up in the mornings, usually, I can actually drive through the clouds to go down to work. But although these clouds are a little bit higher, they got a lot more moisture in them. Usually it's clear blue skies at this point during the year, so this is an unusual event. That's why I'm taping it. Okay, there you go, Ramona. See the bubbles in the puddle? Ramona, rain, highly unusual. I'm guessing we probably had as much in the last half hour as we probably had in the last, I don't know, 10 months. Well, woohoo, because I guess that means it'll be a little bit longer until there's a fire. All right, have a good day.